Hey guys, it's a scary time right now. Look at this. There's blood everywhere. You know Ruby, the big older dog, not the black big dog. It looks like she had a seizure. Shh. There's blood everywhere. It looks like she had a seizure. She's like, look at this. And she fell off. And the dog tried to drag her up. And then, so this is Cody. That's Wick. Wick is bleeding on his eye. And Cody was sitting here. Ruby was on the floor. We came inside. Blood was all over her.
Yeah, there's lots of blood in the sink.
Look at this.
Look at the sink.
Guys, see, look. That's Ruby's blood. But it might be time for her to go, but,
Jackson, don't
Cardi, you okay? Oh my god, look. This isn't a clip, like, this isn't a lie. Like, we'll show you the dog. Like, she's in the shower, not getting cleaned up. I am scared, dude. But we're gonna end the video right here. Wick's scared, Cody's scared. We're all freaking scared. And that's the end of it. See ya. Bye.